was trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia Apple. I'm Tia Apple 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. Why am I always doing that? I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have one of my little doll babies,
Hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi.
Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. I'm back to work now, so I am getting up in the morning and getting ready. So I am filming in the morning and I am hyperactive. Yay. Yay for you. Okay, so let's get started because I have to go to work and it's not in my kitchen. Today I am doing a wig review, and this is Janet Collection's Mermaid, and I have her in Sparkling Amber. She is an extremely deep part lace wig. Okay, she's heat resistant up to 360 degrees, and I will put all the deets down below as to where you can get her and how much. I got her in a trade, so I don't have that right in front of me. She comes in some colors, not a whole ton of colors. This wig has a bump, as you can see, and I don't usually like a bump. A bump is like sort of like filler fibers. Filler fibers are similar to permatease, if you're familiar with permatease. So I'm going to use a combination of my hot comb and my InStyler straightening brush, and we're going to flatten the permatease down just a hair. So let's get our wig cap on, and I'm going to use my wig grip. Since I shaved my hair off, I don't even have anything at all. I think I'm going to shave it down one more time and then see what happens. I'm going to see what happens. So this is her here. I absolutely love the color. It's a blondish color, but it definitely has sort of like a pinkiness to it, as you can see. And it's definitely sort of a number 4-ish root. It's not super dark. You can see there. There's 2 combs in the front. One is right next to the part. And one is over here. There is your curved lace parting. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. Since I'm wearing wig grip, I'm going to adjust this out. Just because now that I'm back at work and I'm wearing wigs like a lot of the day, I want to make sure that it's kind of loose. I'm not really worried about like my wig falling off. I'm more worried about not getting headaches. And so I'm going to adjust it pretty loose. She's a side part. Yeah, so you can see the fiber fillers in there, or the filler fibers. She's a side part. Oh, this color is beautiful. I just want to take down the bump. Gotta take the bump down. Sometimes I use it. She is a light yucky texture, so I'm using the dry shampoo more for smell. Sometimes I'm really weird about smell. I have a very like sensitive sense of smell, which was one reason I was a little bit nervous to go back to work, because you know, everybody with their perfumes and their lotions and their hairsprays and their this and their that. But sometimes it's just a smell thing and it's not even like bad smells. I'm just very sensitive to smell. So it's not that this wig was shiny. Dry shampoo is really good to take shine away from a wig, but it was more like literally to address a smell that I didn't enjoy. Like my mom sometimes, like when I would come home and visit, and she'd be like, oh, let me wash your clothes. I'm like, no, because I just hated the smell of her detergent. Okay, so I'm actually going to, like, it wants to be a really deep part, and I don't like that. So I'm actually going to shift it a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to comb through with this hot comb and try to take this down just a hair. Some people like filler fibers, they like the bump, and that's totally fine if that's what you enjoy, but it's just I personally don't. So I feel like using the hot comb is really a great tool because you can get the comb part can get right down into those fibers and lay them down and break them up a bit. Oh yeah, you can see it's already breaking up a little bit, and I just had it, hi Kit. I didn't even see her, I felt her. I also like the styling this hot comb because you have the brush side, but then you also have this side, which is sort of like my curling wand that I absolutely love. So it's like a 2-for-1. Even that little bit is so much better for me. Which reminds me a little bit of Janet Collection's A Longer Nunu. Especially in this color. Nunu was like a beautiful, perfect ash blonde. Like a combination of Nunu and Felicia a little bit. I still feel like I want a little bit more of this gone. See, if there's just a little something that you do not like about a wig, you can, you know, and they're heat safe, you know, there are things that you can do to just change it. And little things can make a huge difference in a wig and its appearance. Even just shifting it slightly or making the hairs go back instead of forward, trimming it up a little bit, using a round brush to train the hairs to go a little differently. You know, it may seem like a little thing, but it's not. Yeah. All right, so you can see that's definitely gone down quite a bit. So that's what I have for you. Oh, let me show you what she looks like from the back. I'd say wig cap is definitely average because I have her let out all the way. I am wearing a wig grip, but I don't have any hair right now. Oh yeah, so pretty. She's probably in that 22 to 24 inch depending on your height. I am 5'6.5", so this is where she is on me. This is a textured wig, a yaki textured wig, so there is some grip to it, which means it's not going to tangle as much. I still think like it's a multicultural wig, so a lot of people could definitely wear this, and it's a great wig for not tangling, also for styling. So yeah, this is what I have for Mermaid. I'm so glad that I did a little something to her because I knew like the shell of her was something that I absolutely loved, but I had to definitely shift her a little bit and get rid of the bump. Okay, so if you have this wig and you have thoughts, please let me know down below. Okay. And I will leave my Janet Collection playlist down below. Check that out. If there's a wig that you'd like to see that isn't in there, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and click the bell so you get all of my notifications. If you have, you're my doll baby, and I will see you in my next video. I'll see you in my next video. I don't know. I'll see you later. Bye.